Have you ever wondered how our mind and body work together? In this video, we'll explore two important aspects of human functioning, psychological and physiological. Let's dive in. So now let's have the definition and its under differences. So physiological refers to the mind, our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. It's about how we think, feel, and react to different situations. On the other hand, physiological relates to the body, our physical functions like breathing, heartbeat, and digestion. So now let's have the example of psychological aspect. Imagine you have an important test, you feel nervous, your hands sweat, and your heart beats fast. The anxiety you feel is a psychological response. Your brain is processing stress. Now let's have the physiological aspect example. Meanwhile, physiological responses are the body's reactions. When you run, your heart rate increases. You breathe faster and you sweat to cool down. These are automatic processes controlled by your body. So now we'll be talking about their connections between psychological and physiological. So, did you know that physiological and psychological aspects are connected? Stress, for example, can cause headaches or an upset stomach. Likewise, a healthy body can improve mental well-being. So, in conclusion, understanding these aspects helps us take care of both our mind and body. So, next time you feel stressed, take a deep breath and remember, your body and mind work together. Thank you for watching.